see, I look good. Let me not do myself like that. But I, you know, I don't look like how I should be wanting or how I want to look, okay? But hey, Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm the person that I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she's been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get mad. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing.
So freaking excited for this video. As y'all can see by the title, it's gonna be a maintenance vlog. So y'all gonna see me get my hair done, cause her nails done. And yeah, so I get my hair done tomorrow. Today is January 14th. It's a Sunday and it's currently 3:06. I'm waiting for my sisters to come outside so we could go to the hair store. And my little sister, she wants to go to McDonald's. She wants to get some McDonald's and that stuff. But I'm getting my braids. I'm getting braids, y'all. I'm getting braids. Y'all gonna see the braids. They're gonna be so freaking cute. Like, they're so cute. This gonna be my first time going to this girl. My sister, she actually did like blow dry my hair and wash my hair. I want to say Friday, or was it yesterday? I think it was Friday. I'm really excited. Like, I'm just so excited, y'all. Like, I'm just really excited to get my hair done, my nails done. Like, I'm always excited when it comes to that. And your girl is back to getting her lashes done. Your girl had to take like a mini lash break. But I'm going to a different girl for my lashes. This girl from my job put me on to this girl.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the tea on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for.
It's hair appointment day. So it's the next day, y'all. It's currently 11:20 and it's January 15th. And I get my hair done today. I get my hair done at 1 p.m. I don't even have everything for my hair. I got the hair, I got the beads that I want to use. I got all of that, but I don't got the seashell. I want a seashell and they don't have it out here, so I'm probably gonna have to drive, I don't know, maybe to Trenton or to Philly. Y'all might think I'm crazy, but no, I need that for my hair. Like, I need that for my hair. I'm gonna go to the bank. I have to go to the bank. I'm gonna get the money out. My boyfriend, he's paying for my hair. My boyfriend, he be paying for my hair. Thank you, boo. Okay, so y'all, I went to the bank. I got the money. Now I'm here at this hair place. I'm in Hamilton right now. Hopefully they have it, like, cause if they don't have it, I think I'm gonna literally like scream and be like, oh my gosh, like, I'll be so mad if they don't have it. But they should have it because and I've never been to this hair store, so yeah. I got it. I found it. I just need these for real, but I got the whole pack. You know, just in case, you can never be wrong. Like, my hair stuff is in the back. I'm about to start heading back over there. Let me look at my receipt, because I don't know really. Okay. I'll be looking at my receipt. I don't know how y'all be getting rid of y'all receipts just like this. I keep my receipts, okay? I don't care. I keep my receipts for anything. Like, even when I go to the gas station, I'll be saying to him, can I have my receipt? Because I do be using my card and I usually do take out cash, but I haven't really been taking out cash. I just been like using my card. So I have to be seeing like what they doing. If they, you know, scanning me a couple of times, like how many times they, you know, like they not taking out too much money. They taking out the exact amount. But let me start heading back over there because I'm not, you know, close to where I'm at, where I'm supposed to be. Let me look for my phone. Yeah, it's 12:31, so I should start heading over there to her place to get my hair done. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm there because I can vlog there. She already knows I'm gonna vlog and that stuff, so that's good. Tell the angels Hey y'all, so I didn't show y'all my hair yesterday when I first got it done for real, because when I was done getting my hair done I was tired and I was hungry, and also it was snowing yesterday. It was just so much going on, but my hair is so freaking cute. Let me show you. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Y'all know I love long hair, so this is me hair. It's so cute. She did good with it. Like, it took like 2, got out of there like around like 9-10. So it took a little long, but I just feel like it's worth it. My forehead is on 10 though. It's like my forehead is big, but it's okay. But I really love my hair. I get my lashes done Thursday, so that'll be like my next appointment. But I'm really feeling my hair, y'all. It's super cute. Plus she recorded some videos too, so she's gonna have some videos on her page. I will have her tagged right here. Y'all should go book with her. And yeah, I'm sorry, I'm pulling my hair, but I'll see y'all Thursday when I get my lashes done. And yeah.
I've been missing out the walk with the minute. I've been building up the blocks like a me. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my god, boy, he got a Glock. Oh my god, boy, that boy on top. Sip and walk, make my heart stop. Audio, yeah, my love, my thigh. Look, let her go, put her on hold. Put that on payroll, put that on hold. Yeah, she like to go, yeah, she love to blow. Get that bitch slow.
Get her to the lashes. Hey y'all, I'm at my boyfriend's house where I got my lashes done at. It's literally close to his house. And yeah, so I'm like, why not come over my boyfriend's house? I haven't seen him in a minute, my boyfriend. And yeah, so why not come over? Okay. But yeah, so y'all, as y'all can see, my lashes are done and I freaking love them. Okay, I love my lashes. They're so cute. The hair too, like everything is just giving. Everything's giving. I'm feeling it. Okay, like please, like please. Ooh, all we have to do is get our nails done now. And yeah, we get our nails done Saturday at 3 o'clock p.m. So really excited for that. But like, look at my lashes. Like, she ate my lashes up. This was my first time going to her. That shit is a period. Can't tell me nothing. But I'm hungry. But yeah, y'all, so I guess I'm gonna see y'all Saturday. My nail appointment. And yeah. Hey y'all, so today is nail appointment day. Today is Saturday. It's like 11 something right now. Don't worry about my eyes being red, y'all. It's because of the lashes. Plus I have my contacts in too, so don't worry about my eyes being red. My outfit is so freaking cute. I'm definitely gonna take some pictures even though there is snow on the ground, y'all. Like, it snowed yesterday. I still need pictures. I have not taken pictures in a minute, and this outfit is so cute. So we have a very productive day today. I'm about to go to the nail salon to get my nails taken off, and then we're gonna head to Cherry Hill to take my pictures. And then around that time, it should be a time for me to go get my nails done, actually. Hey y'all, so I just got my nails taken off. The lady was, my car, sorry. The lady was trying to charge me. The lady was trying to charge me $20 to take off some nails. Like, Buki, it's not $20. Cause she was saying like just gel on my nails. I'm like, no, it's not gel on my nails. It's acrylic. I said, my nail tech just knows how to have good retention and it just lasts as long. Cause she was having a hard time taking it off. Like, she was trying to charge me $20. No, 15. Well, I paid 15 just to get my nails taken off. I'm okay with that. Okay, I just want my nails taken off so I can get my nails done. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to head out over there to Cherry Hill, take some pictures. My appointment is at 3:30. I thought it was at 3. Well, she said 3, but she pushed it back to 3:30. It's whatever. I'm about to head over there to Cherry Hill, take some pictures of my cute little outfit, because my outfit is cute. Car right next to me parked mad close. Like, I had to squeeze in. No, I don't know, but yeah. I'm over here moving my hands as if my nails are gonna clack, like my nails gonna clack, but it's so weird having bare nails. But anyway, y'all, now I'm done talking. Just got done taking my pictures. It's really, really cold outside, but I have my gloves on. So what I'm about to do now is go to Chick-fil-A, because that's what I'm in the mood for. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get the #1 deluxe with American cheese and Oreo shake, no whipped cream, no cherry. So I gotta see what's like, where's the nearest like Chick-fil-A. Let's see. Cause I'm hungry. Ooh.
What you working with? 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 Pay for this pussy nigga. Get your hands up. Oh, you ain't tricking nigga? I'ma get your hands up. Cold ass, cocky bitch, fire in the summertime. He gon' keep the bills paid, cause he know a bitch. Bitches always in my business. JC, what you really do? I be at home playing bitch, but I swim a bit. I'm a real big dog, bitch. What's the fuck you doing all that white shit? Knowing he don't fuck you. Post the girl pussy in your nigga dream. I'm a hoe skinny, but whoever in between. Gangsta bitch, JT, Medellin. Haven't heard from the ops yet, they ain't said a thing. I be damn nigga, you know who I am, nigga. Long whip and break a closet full of scams, nigga. Bitches on my dick, pretty like a trans, nigga. See this.
Nails looking clean, yeah. Pop it. But yeah, I'm at my boyfriend's house right now. We about to go skating, but I need to touch up my makeup. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my nails look good. I got my nails. Hey y'all, so I just came back home from skating. As you can see, my nails are done. As you can also see, I'm tired. I want to eat. I want to take my makeup off and everything. My nails are so freaking cute. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this maintenance vlog. Please make sure you give a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have your post notifications on. Follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.
Already